What's up everybody, Jordan here from Billy's Tavern Homebrewing, and this is the Hop Aroma Standards Kit from Barth-Haas. I've been eyeballing this product for quite some time now. I've been homebrewing for a couple years. I really want to dive more into the aromas and the flavors and the characteristics of all these hops, but there's so many, but I figured there was no better way than to get this kit. I bought it, I bit the bullet, it arrived, I love it, and so that's why I'm bringing this video to you guys. The kit contains 12 individual aroma vials, each representing one of the aroma categories that comprise of the 12-point Barth-Haas sensory language. They took compounds found in hops and hop oils and built this language, paving the way, I think, for the industry to learn more about aromas and hops. The kit is perfect for brewers of any size, from hobbyists, home brewers to professionals, or really anybody who wants to refine their language and knowledge about the various aromas that are present in hops. It's really simple. It arrives in the mail, you pull it out, you open it up, you read a little bit, and then you pull out a vial and you take a whiff. It's literally that easy. If you are interested in this product or on the fence, I would jump on it. I really would. The product's great, it's creative, it's a definite game changer. I mean, if there's no better way, I think, to learn about the aromas than to get this kit. The kit lasts up to 6 months, so plenty of time to get your sniffer dialed in. So you can head on over to yakimavalleyhops.com/BillysBeer. And if you find your cart with over $100 worth of hops or other goodies, you can use my code BillysBeer to get $20 off. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like. I'll see you guys again next time. Cheers.